Even presidents of companies have to fix cars. What are you fixing?
I don't know, but I haven't broken a nail yet.
I'm working on a 995 Mustang. I'm gonna go ahead and upgrade the fan real quick on this thing. It's not a horrible process, but car's running a little bit hotter than I'd like. Not bad, not really overheating yet, but I have enough experience with these cars that you know when to upgrade them and when not to. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace the fan. Just put the CCR in off to the side. Disconnect the fan, which I think I better wire a new one in. Yeah, I'm gonna wire a new one in while I'm at it. I'm gonna disconnect the battery. Okay, this is a direct replacement fan. It's supposed to run about 200 RPMs faster. Not a huge amount, but the truth is you could save money by upgrading the motor on these. This was about $140, but the motor's is about $70, and I decided I'd rather have a spare one of these around because I plan on buying more of these cars. So what I decided is to get a new upgraded fan in the process. I put the car on air conditioning, and when you put the car on air conditioning, it starts spinning the fan immediately.
So if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button below. If you want to see more videos like this in the future, go ahead and click the subscribe button and the bell if you want some notifications. See you next time on Chasing Mustangs.
Thanks.
All right.
Great
cool.
job.
Yeah, I see it like literally every day.